Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to send Bitcoin to external wallet on PayPal. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, before getting started, make sure to copy the wallet address of crypto.com. So in order to copy the wallet address, open up your crypto.com application, and once you open up, this is what the interface is going to look like. So in order to copy the wallet address, first of all, tap on deposit in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on deposit, there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, tap on crypto, and after that you'll have to select the currency, and once you select your currency, next page you'll have to copy the wallet address. You can see right at the bottom there is your code, so all you have to do is just simply tap on it and then copy it. And once you're done copying your wallet address, now open up your PayPal application. And once you open up your PayPal application, next tap on finances, which is right at the bottom, and once you tap on finances, next page, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then you'll have to tap on crypto in the top right corner of your screen, and next you'll have to select the crypto, so then tap on Bitcoin. After you tap on Bitcoin, next you have all the information. Since there's no such option as send, all you have to do is tap on transfer in the bottom right corner of your screen. As you tap on transfer, there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, tap on send. Once you tap on send, next you'll have to paste the wallet address that you've recently copied. You can see in the search box, all you have to do is you'll have to paste the wallet address right over there. As you have pasted the wallet address, all you have to do is tap on send to, which is right at the bottom, and then on the other page you'll have to enter the amount that you want to transfer. Once you're done entering the amount, tap on the tick icon located right at the bottom, and then on the last interface there is review. So make sure to check all of your information correctly, and once you're done confirming, tap on send now, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can send Bitcoin to external wallet on PayPal. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.